welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, thanks so much for stopping by. For today's video, I have for you the Oden's Eye mystery box. This is the smaller of the two that were available. So if that sounds interesting to you, then why don't we go ahead and get started. Okay, like I said, this is the smaller of the two boxes that they were offering. I did get the larger box, so I'll be unboxing that in a separate video. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. It came in this, actually, did they come together? Yeah, they came together wrapped. They were in their own boxes and they were wrapped up in like black plastic. And so then you just opened this right here and it opened up the box. Super cute. Nice and like Eastery looking with the Easter eggs and the bunnies on here. So super cute for the spring. So I have already taken the bubble wrap. It was very well wrapped, but I already took the bubble wrap out so it wouldn't get in the way. So the first thing I see in here is the Saga of Freya, Chapter 2, Chapter 2 Cat with the Golden Carriage palette. So that's what the box looks like right here. And it does have plastic wrap on here. I do not have this palette, so I will go ahead and open this up. I should have brought something over here to open this with, but I'll just use some tweezers to break the plastic. So everything comes wrapped in plastic, which is nice, so you know it hasn't been touched. So here we go. It has a sleeve, and then the palette looks the same. This is what the palette looks like. Very pretty packaging on here. Okay, and then this is what the palette looks like. It does have a real pretty mirror right here. Take the plastic off of the palette. And there you go. That is what the palette looks like right here. Very pretty. I do not have this palette, so like I said, so I'm super excited to get this. I would like the first one, and I'd like the book that they have, which has both sides. I'd like to eventually get those too. I really do like those. I know they're older palettes, but I really like the Oden's Eye formula, so if they have a sale or something, I might pick those up at some point, because I wouldn't mind having those palettes in my collection for sure. So yeah, I'm super excited to get this one though. It has, I love the shimmers that it has in here. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmers. So very pretty. Very pretty. I'm not sure how frequently I'll use the orange shadows, but I will use more of the peach and the greens. You know, so I'm definitely excited to have this one. Okay, and then the next thing I see in here is this right here, which I believe is like a shadow switch, like to clean your makeup brushes off in, which I use, pardon me, which I use those all the time. So the packaging on here is gorgeous. You've got like a profile of a face and her hair right there. It's beautiful, and there's like a rose or a flower right there. Very, very pretty. And then, yeah, just like I said, so I think you could maybe put makeup remover here in the middle in the heart, and if you want to, you don't have to, and you could totally just use this dry right here, and it'll basically get all the shadow off of your brushes, or any makeup off of your brushes. It may still show the staining, but it'll get the actual powder off of there, so that you could just, you know, reuse the brush without crossing colors or whatever. So I'm very excited to have this, because like I said, I use these all the time. I have the original shadow switch, and then I have a generic version, and I use them all the time, so I'll use this one as well for sure. Okay, next I have the Norns Mesmerizing Spring of Life highlighter, I believe. It doesn't actually say, but I'm pretty sure this is a highlighter. So let me open this. Did I show it to y'all? This is what it looks like. Has the plastic wrap on it, like I said. Everything comes wrapped in plastic. Yeah, it doesn't actually say highlighter, but I'm about 99% sure this is a highlighter. Okay, and then when you take it out of the sleeve, it looks the same. Pull that back so you guys can see the packaging. There you go, super pretty. My ring light is just washing it out so much. I need to work on my lighting. Sorry guys. But anyways, hopefully you can see that. And then this is what, ooh, the highlighter looks like. It does have a little mirror in here up at the top, and then this is what the highlighter looks like right here. Wow, that is pretty. It's like a tie-dye. That's a very pretty. I'm gonna swatch that, I can't help myself. Ooh, super soft. It's got like gold and blue and white. That's what it looks like. It matches my eye look. I have highlighter on, but what the heck? Let's go ahead and put it on. Let's go ahead and swatch that. Ooh, that's what it looks like right there. That's pretty. Let's go ahead and put that on my face. Why not? I think we shall. If I can find a highlighter brush. One sec. Was this a highlighter brush? Sure, why not? This is a Juvia's Place brush. I'm pretty sure it's a highlighter brush. Oh wow. That's pretty. It looks a little glittery on the brush. Oh yeah, just a little bit glittery, but oh wow, it's pretty. Wow. That's really pretty. Hopefully y'all can see that. Wow. That matches my eye look perfectly. That's super pretty. I don't wear colorful highlights a lot, but you know, when I'm filming I do. So, nice. Excited about that. I've never tried their highlighters before, so that is really nice. I like that quite a bit. Very glowy. Okay, and then last but not least, this is the Alva Matte Lip Stain in the shade Ripe Papaya. So this is what the packaging looks like right there. Take the plastic off so y'all can see it better. Okay, so that's what the packaging looks like. I can see it better now without the plastic wrap on there. Okay, and then let's open her up and take a look. Ooh, wow, that's really pretty packaging. So that's what that looks like right there. Let's go ahead and give it a swatch. It smells a little fruity. Can't quite place it, but it smells fruity. Ooh, I'm looking at the swatch that I did, and it's kind of the bluish purple pink shift, it looks like. Ooh, that's really pretty. You know what? Let's wipe off what I have on my lips and try it on. Why not? Why not? I'm not sure if it'll go exactly perfect with my eye look, but I do want to try this. I've never tried their lip products before, so let's give it a try. It seems very liquidy. Okay, that doe fit's nice. It's really precise. I got some of my teeth, I think. Okay, it's still drying. It says matte lip stain, so I assume it dries down. So we'll give it a minute. That's really a pretty color though. It doesn't look bad with my eye color. It's a little dark. Since the eye color is so intense, or the eye look I should say is so intense. And I did film this look, by the way. So this video will be coming up. Yeah, it's still drying. Almost dry. It's drying matte. That's nice. I really like this color. I would definitely wear this color on a regular basis. Especially in the fall. I think this would be beautiful in the fall. And it doesn't make my teeth look yellow, so I like that. It makes them look white. I like it. It feels comfortable. Seems transfer proof. Yeah, seems transfer proof. Very nice. I like it. We'll have to see long time wear, but so far so good. I really like it. That has me excited. I'll have to try out their other lip products in the future for sure. Okay, so that's everything I got. So it was what, 4 items? Yeah, I got the Saga Freya Chapter 2 Cat with the Golden Carriage. Got that. I got the Norns Mesmerizer Spring of Life highlighter. I got the like shadow switch and the matte lip stain. So wow, that's really nice. I'll pop up the value on the screen here for you guys. And I'll have to let y'all know what I paid for this, but it was really reasonably priced from what I recall. I don't remember off the top of my head what I paid for it, but it was really reasonably priced, especially for everything I got. So I know it was a good value. I remember thinking it was going to be a really good value based upon what they said the value was compared to the price. So super excited I got this. So if they have these in the future, I would highly recommend picking them up. At least the small one so far. I think it was a good value. So yeah, super excited that I picked this up. Glad to have more of Oden's Eye products in my collection. I really do like the brand. I really do like their products. So super excited about this. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you are having a great day or evening wherever you are in this world. I hope you are staying safe and hope you're staying healthy, and I look forward to talking to you again soon. Bye!